Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete or remove a friend on Snapchat. So what you need to do first is go to on your profile. You have to click on the profile emoji in the top right corner in the left. So after that, here you can see you have to scroll down in the last option. After scrolling down, you have to find the option that selects my friends. You have to click on my friends option right here. Then what you need to do is click on the friend you want to remove from your Snapchat. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel and leave a comment. So what is the next thing you want to do is tap on the friend you want to remove from Snapchat. You have to tap on it. Then after that, you can see here is an option manage friendship. You have to click on the manage friendship option. So after that, you can see here is 4 options: block, report, remove friend and edit name. So what we need to do is click on remove friend to delete this friend from our friend list. Then after that, here you can see here is the option remove. If you are sure to remove this friend from your friend list in Snapchat, you have to click on remove. Okay, so after clicking on remove, here you can see this friend is removed from our friend list. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel, please.